this group of people called ICE, and they're running around America. They're like paramilitary police, taking people off the streets because of the color of their skin as illegal immigrants, whether they've been in America for 30 years, whether they got a green card. That's what's happening. So I wrote this poem about American politics, which is called The Sounds of Fascism. I hear them hissing in the street, sharp as frost and steel, echoes from our history, soft sibilants of pain. The sounds squeezed out through gritted teeth, slicing air clean as glass, sharp syllables of fear. Sliding down the pavement, searching an address, slipping past the painted star, the goons of the SS. A new sibilant of fascism stalks our modern days. The uniform is just a disguise, these neo-thugs cold as ice. Say them slow, ICE, SS, and feel the chill repeat. The hiss becomes a command. So that's my American politics.